Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Wave 300 TWS true wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if these earbuds are not working for any reason, like they're not connecting to your phone or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't and you decide you want to buy a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good reliable pair. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this reset is if for whatever reason you are just want to delete all the pairing history so that you can go ahead and set these up like they're a brand new set of earbuds coming out of the box. It's real easy. We need to take both of the earbuds out of the case, and then they should both turn on. And with them both out of the case and on and right next to each other, we're just going to come on the right earbud and we're going to hit it 3 times, but on the 3rd time we're going to hold it. So we're going to go like this: tap, 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 hold. And after 5 seconds, this light will go off. You'll see that it will reset. You'll see the lights change on both of the earbuds. They'll reset into their factory defaults, and you can set these earbuds up as a brand new set of earbuds.